Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok shop is not showing. If you're using TikTok and your TikTok shop is not showing, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to simply open up your TikTok app, and here you just have to tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap on three dots in the top right corner and then select settings and privacy. And from here you just have to scroll down and look for free up space. Simply tap on it, and here you just have to clear the cache files. You must have to tap on this clear option in front of this cache. Simply select that option, then tap on clear, and once you have cleared all the cache, you must have to go back, and here you have to check if your shop option is showing or not, or if it doesn't showing, so you must have to open up your app store or play store, then tap on the search option, and here you just have to simply search for TikTok. And once you have searched, you have to make sure that you haven't any update available here. If you have any update, you must have to update your app, and once you have updated, it might be that your problem will be fixed. But if it's still having the same issue, so you must have to open up your profile, go for settings, and here you must have to scroll down and select the sport option, and from here you have to select your problem, or you can easily select chat with us, and here you must have to simply describe your issue, and after that your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix TikTok shop is not showing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.